Welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. Today I will be showing you this stunning, top-of-the-notch, renovated villa on the Golden Mile. Another outstanding feature of this property is this lovely 1,251 square meter plot. With its beautifully landscaped gardens, preheated swimming pool, it offers sunshine, peace and tranquility the whole year round. The most outstanding feature of this villa is the sublime design of it. They've combined boho chic elements with modern open spaces and they've created such an elegant atmosphere. With 871 square meters, this property is distributed over 3 levels plus a roof terrace. It has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms and it's full of special features such as a private elevator, a spa, a gym, and it has indoor parking for 2 cars and 4 more on the plot. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Remember, you have all the information on the property in the link down below. And if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel, and until next time.